This is line up Arsenal when with Olympico in UEFA Champions League. Coach is Mikel Arteta and goalkeeper the Spanish player David Raya with start 11 player when meet Olympico from scratch. And now the defender we have for Saliba, the Frank player and play center back position for Arsenal this week. And the next one is the Brazil defender and center back Magalhaes with start 11 player for Arsenal this week. And the next one I predict is Italy player and left back Calafori will play left back for Arsenal this week. And the next one is a right back. He is a Netherlands player Julian Timber will start 11 player for Arsenal when meet Olympico. And now we go to the CMF. We have 3 players. Miguel, he is a Spanish player. He will play CMF position for Arsenal. And the next one is Spanish player, the same like Miguel. He is Martin. He will play CMF position, the same like Miguel Moreno. And the next one is an England player and CMF. The Clan Wright will play CMF for Arsenal this week. And form before 2-3-2-3. And England player Bukayo Saka will play for RWF for Arsenal this week in UEFA Champions League when meet Olympico. And the next one is Sweden center forward Kayo Corres will play for CF for Arsenal this week. And the last one, he is the new player and England player. Is a wizard 11 player for Arsenal. And now we will go to the Olympico lineup. When with Arsenal from goalkeeper we have Tuso Lakis. We play goalkeeper for Olympico. And the coach we have Jose Luis. And we have for defender is a Pirola. We start center back for Olympico and form 4-2-3-1. And now we go to the next center back Restos. He will play for Olympico this week with Pirola for center back. And right back we have Ortega. We will play right back for Olympico when with Arsenal at away. At the next one, he is the left back Costinha will play for left back for Olympico this week. And CMF we have 2 players from Lorenzo. We start 11 player for Olympico. And another he is CMF also. Christos will play CMF for Olympico when with Arsenal at away for CMF. And now we go to 3 player from AMF. We have Nascimento. We play AMF for Olympico. And now we go to another one. OWF we have Gabriel. We start 11 player for Olympico this week. And the next one is Camera. We play OWF for Olympico this week when meet Arsenal. And the last we have the Kabi. We play CF for Olympico this week when meet Arsenal in UEFA Champions League match day 2 at London.